I think if you have extra money left over through using Bōde, I think it's important to invest in pieces that you create memories around, like a dining table for sure. You know, especially if you're going to be selective on what you're purchasing with the money that you have left over in a house. Because a dining table is something that you sit around every single day with your family or friends and family gatherings and stuff like that. So that's definitely a piece that's worth investing in. And secondly, I would also say coffee tables too, because those I think often are underestimated. I know that in our house we have as much, if not more, traffic around our coffee table than we do our dining table. So it's important to have a good quality coffee table that's going to last a long time as well.
Yeah, I would say just pick a few staple pieces that are kind of the main pieces in your home and invest in them, and then just build around that. So I think that's where we come in, where we can just provide some staple pieces, you know, that you're gonna get the high quality, so that the traffic use, even if you've got little ones or whatever it may be, are just gonna last. And yeah.